There's the pizza dough recipe. Goes in here. There's the water, 3/4 cup. Hot as you can stand it, tap water. Next is olive oil. Tablespoon of olive oil. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. But the key is you want to put the salt in with the liquid ingredients. Why does it matter? Because the salt will activate the yeast. You don't want to activate the yeast. And then it says 2¼ cups all-purpose flour. Here's the flour. Sprinkle it over the water. One-quarter. Okay. It says 1 teaspoon of sugar, but instead I'm going to use some clover honey, and I don't measure it. Squirt some honey in there. Use some of my Schilling all-purpose Italian seasoning. Scatter a little bit of that in there. And then the yeast. There's the yeast. It says 1 teaspoon yeast, but here in Colorado, we're at a higher altitude, so I do a little more than 1/2 teaspoon. Just about 3/4 teaspoon of yeast. And that's it. And this is what it looks like. Yeast in the middle, seasoning all around. The honey's around the edges, and then it goes into the bread machine. And you have to get it way down. To the dough, pizza dough, and then just start. And then sneak in here. And start mixing it. 55 minutes and it's in the first kneading cycle. It's on the second knead cycle. Okay, it's done. I let it rest for 15 minutes here in the pan. Now I've got to preheat the ceramic pizza dish and roll out the dough. Flour to keep the dough from sticking to the countertop. I'm putting the tomato sauce on right now. A little more than I planned on, but I think it's okay. Pre-cooked hamburger. Voila. And now to clean up this mess. Mmm.